Miscellaneous directives. There are two more preprocessor directives available through, though they are not commonly used. They are hash undiff and hash pragma. So these are two directives. So pragma is very rarely used and undiff is also very rarely used. So let us first discuss about undiff directive. On some occasions, it may be desirable to cause a defined name to become undefined. This can be accomplished by means of the undef directives. In order to undefine a macro that has been earlier has defined the directive, so sometimes it may be desirable to uh, cause defined name to become undefined. So there this directive is used. So it is used for undefine a macro that has been earlier defined in the directive. So we have to sometimes we have to undefine it. For undefining, this undef directive is used. Hash undef macro template can be used. Thus the statement hash undef Pentium would cause the definition of Pentium to be removed from the system. So all subsequent hash if def Pentium statements would evaluate to false. In practice, seldom are you required to undefine a macro, but for some reason, if you are required to do, then you know that there is something to fall back upon. Hash pragma directive. This directive is another special purpose directive that you can use to turn on or off certain features. So this is used for turning on or off certain features. So this is used for actually use we can use assembly language also with this directive. So in C language we can also use assembly language with the help of this directive. Programs vary from one compiler to another. There are certain pragmas available with Microsoft C compiler that deal with formatting source listing and placing comments in object file generated by compiler. Turbo C++ compiler has got a pragma that allows you to suppress warnings generated by compiler. Hash pragma startup and hash pragma exit. So these are for start and exit. These directives allow us to specify functions that are called upon program startup. So on program startup we can use pragma startup. So before main or pragma exit just before the program terminates. Their usages are as follows: void fun1, void fun2, pragma startup function 1, pragma exit function 2, main, printf slash n inside main, void fun1, printf slash n inside fun1, void function 2, printf slash n inside fun2. So let us see output of this program. Output of this program is inside function 1, inside of main, inside function 2. Note that the functions fun1 and function 2 should neither receive nor return any value.